Humans.
Hi guys, I'm Bella.
And I'm Molly.
And we know a lot about humans. In this video, we will teach you how the human body interacts to perform specific functions.
The four functions are regulation, nutrient absorption, reproduction, and defense against injury and illness. Hope you enjoy!
Regulation! Homeostasis is the tendency towards a relatively stable equilibrium between interdependent elements, especially as maintained by physiological processes. When you eat a huge meal, blood sugar goes up, water content goes up, and pressure on your stomach goes up. And nerves are stimulated. How does your body deal with that? Well, all your systems play a part in maintaining homeostasis. But, for example, the issue of high blood sugar is fixed when the pancreas releases insulin. This insulin binds to skeletal muscles and liver cells to let them know that they need to absorb glucose in the blood. Glucose is a simple sugar that's an important energy source in living organisms and a component of many carbohydrates. That glucose will turn into glycogen, which essentially removes the glucose in the blood, and therefore the blood sugar will go back down.
Nutrient absorption! The digestive system converts food into small molecules that can be used by the cells of the body. Food is processed by the digestive system in four phases. The phases are ingestion, digestion, absorption, and elimination. In digestion, they're separated in two ways: mechanical and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion is the physical breakdown of the large pieces of the food into smaller pieces. And in chemical digestion, the enzymes break down the food molecules for the body. Ingestion is just putting food in your mouth. And absorption, most nutrients are absorbed through the wall of the small intestine. The large intestine absorbs water and several minerals and prepares waste for elimination for the body. The small intestine is part of the intestines where 90% of the digestion takes place, and 10% takes place in the stomach or the large intestines. In elimination, the concentrated waste either passes through the urethra or the anus, leading the digestive system, and that's nutrient absorption. Come on. Reproduction! That's what I'm talking about. Reproduction. That's what I'm talking about. Reproduction. Reproduction. Welcome to reproduction, and today we're going to talk about two reproductive systems, the male and the female. Now, in the male reproductive system, when puberty is complete, the male reproductive system should be fully functional, meaning that it can release and produce active sperm. The male reproductive system includes the scrotum, testes, spermatic ducts, sex glands, and penis. These organs work together to produce sperm, the male gamete, and all the other components of semen. These organs work together to deliver the semen out of the body into the vagina, where it can fertilize egg cells and produce offspring. Now on to the female reproductive system. The main function of the female reproductive systems are to produce egg cells and prepare the body to nourish the embryo. The female reproductive system is designed to carry out several functions. It produces the female egg cells necessary for reproduction, called the ova or oocytes. The system is designed to transport the ova to the site of fertilization. Conception, the fertilization of an egg by a sperm, normally occurs in the fallopian tubes. The next step for the fertilized eggs is to implant into the walls of the uterus. beginning the initial stages of pregnancy. If the fertilization or implantation does not take place, the system is designed to menstruate, the monthly shedding of the uterine lining. In addition, the female reproductive systems produce female sex hormones that maintain the whole reproductive cycle, and that's reproduction for you.
Okay. Two systems serve the main function of protection from injury or illness in animals. Those two systems are the integumentary system, which is skin, and the circulatory system. The skin is our first defense mechanism. It's an excellent mechanical barrier against infection and injury. Most of the time, your skin functions as a barrier between you and the outside world. The physical barrier the skin forms is just one obstacle for pathogens and other foreign materials. The growth of pathogens on your eyes can be slowed by substances contained in tears. The millions of bacteria cells that live on the skin can also kill pathogens. A common way that pathogens can enter the body is through a cut. The circulatory system is then able to help defend the body because blood contains cells that respond to the foreign materials. Two other ways that the body defends itself from illness are the respiratory system and the digestive system. Sneezing and coughing are two ways the respiratory system defends the body from harmful substances. Cilia and mucus also protect the body. Cilia are tiny, hair-like protrusions in the nose and the lungs that trap dust particles present in the air. Mucus is a thick and slippery substance found in the nose, throat, and lungs. Like the cilia, mucus traps dirt and other particles. Mucus contains substances like those in tears that can slow the growth of pathogens. The digestive system uses some foreign materials that manage to enter your digestive system. But many are destroyed by saliva, mucus enzymes, and stomach acids. Saliva in your mouth helps kill bacteria. Mucus protects the digestive organs by coating them. Pathogens can also be destroyed by enzymes produced in the liver and pancreas, or by the acids in the stomach.
Today we learned so much about human functions, and we had so much fun doing it. We learned about functions like
Regulation,
nutrient absorption,
defense against illness and injuries,
and my personal favorite, reproduction.
Thank you so much for watching this video about
Humans.
I'm Bella,
And I'm Molly.
and this was Human Functions Declassified. Bye!